to draw hot chocolate. To begin, we are going to draw a rectangle shape without the top, and the corners are going to be curved. This will be the main portion of our mug. Then at the top, to connect the two sides, we are going to draw a slightly curved line. Next, we are going to draw 3 short wavy lines above this line. These will be for where we will draw our marshmallows. Then above each one of those lines, we will draw a rectangle connected to them. Looking awesome, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! For the next step of drawing our mug, we are going to connect the two sides of our mug with a big curved line going above our marshmallows. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We're almost done drawing our mug. Next, we will draw another curved line like the one that we just drew, but this one will be right below it. If you run into your marshmallow, that's okay, just skip over it. Great job! Next, we will draw the handle of our mug. Right here, we are going to draw a backward C-like shape connected to the right side of our mug. Lastly, to finish drawing the handle of our mug, we are going to draw an even bigger C-like shape around this one. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome, so share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub so that we could see them. If this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the end to see our drawing colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.